look at our beautiful king suite at the Waldorf Astoria Orlando. We were upgraded to this room from a standard room because we are Hilton Diamond members, and I used points to book this room, and I also used Hilton's fifth night free benefit that if you stay on points for 4 nights, you get the 5th night free at the same property. So look at this huge room. Let's explore it and see what we got. So here's the first closet, and it is a coat closet right by the entryway. And then there's another closet next to it. And in here we have the iron and ironing board, a luggage stand, and a full-length mirror. Look at these little details on the mirror. Look at that. I've never seen that before. That's nice. And then over here we have the little bar area. And we have a bar sink, a giant ice bucket. It's all these cabinets. Oh, that one's empty. What's under here? Empty. And the sink. Okay, there's a lot of drawers and cabinets. And we have a Nespresso with Nespresso pods. And there's a fridge under here. Ooh, that's a nice fridge. We have a thermostat for this room, a nice dining area. This is an adjoining room over here. Lovely couch and chair, nice big TV, credenza. Here's our view. We don't have a Disney view, so this is off the front of the hotel. And down here, there's the golf club. And over here is Disney Springs. So we have a Disney Springs view. And we have a balcony. Let's see if I can unlock it all. Oh, here we go. So we have a nice little balcony with 2 chairs and a table. Here's our view. And let's go back inside and look at the bedroom. And here is the bedroom. We have a king bed, 2 nightstands. There's another closet. So this closet has some nice robes and another luggage rack and a full-length mirror, but you have to get in the closet to see it because this is as far as the closet door opens so that it doesn't bang into the nightstand over here. And the bathroom, I love the bathrooms at the Waldorf. Nice makeup mirror, toiletries, sink. Beautiful shower. I love the hardware that they use in their bathrooms here. It's just so nice. Everything is so heavy and it's quality. There's a separate bathtub. Very nice. The bathroom is actually about the same size in the suite as it is in the normal rooms. The bathrooms in the normal rooms are very large. I love the bathrooms here. And then in the bedroom, we have a desk and another large TV and entertainment center. And the bedroom has its own thermostat, which is nice. So this is our king suite at the Waldorf Astoria Orlando, and it's going to be our home for the next 5 nights. And I can't wait.